Welcome to the Tailor Law Podcast, your trusted source for expert legal insights on family and divorce law in Ontario. I'm Deepa Taylor, your host, and today we're exploring a topic that many couples find themselves navigating: living separately while still under the same roof. This arrangement, often referred to as a separation under one roof, raises complex legal and emotional considerations. Whether driven by financial necessity, co-parenting goals, or other personal circumstances, understanding the legal implications of this unique situation is essential. First, let's define what it means to be legally separated in Ontario. Contrary to popular belief, separation doesn't require physical distance. A couple can be considered legally separated while living in the same home if they have ended their marital relationship and live independently of each other. This means no longer behaving as a couple, no shared finances, no romantic relationship, and no social outings as a couple. What matters most is the intention to separate and how that intention is demonstrated in daily life. Now, why might couples choose to live separately but together? The most common reasons include financial constraints, housing affordability, and co-parenting commitments. Ontario's housing market can make it challenging for one partner to move out immediately. Parents might also decide to stay under one roof to provide stability for their children. While this arrangement can be practical, it introduces several legal complexities. One key issue is how this type of separation impacts property division and support obligations. Under Ontario's Family Law Act, the date of separation is crucial in determining how family property is divided. If both parties disagree on when they officially separated, it can lead to disputes over asset division. Therefore, it is vital to document the separation date clearly. This could include written agreements, emails, or even changes in living arrangements within the home. Child custody and support are also significant considerations. Living under one roof does not automatically resolve parenting arrangements. It is advisable for parents to establish clear parenting plans to avoid misunderstandings. Courts prioritize the best interests of the child, so demonstrating how cohabitation supports or hinders the child's well-being is important. Spousal support is another area impacted by this arrangement. If one partner continues to provide financial support for household expenses, it may affect future spousal support claims. Consulting with a family lawyer can clarify how ongoing financial contributions may influence legal obligations after divorce. Privacy and boundaries become critical in these situations. Couples must navigate shared spaces respectfully to minimize conflict. Setting boundaries for personal space, finances, and parenting responsibilities can help ease tensions. Legal agreements can formalize these arrangements and prevent disputes. It's also important to consider safety. In cases involving domestic violence or emotional abuse, continuing to live together may not be safe. If safety is a concern, immediate legal action and safety planning are necessary. Resources are available to support individuals in these situations, and Tailor Law can help guide you through the process. So, what steps should you take if you're considering separation under one roof? First, consult a family lawyer to understand your rights and obligations. Second, document your separation date and any agreements you make. Third, establish clear boundaries and, if possible, draft a separation agreement that outlines financial responsibilities, parenting arrangements, and household rules. Navigating a separation while living together can be challenging, but you're not alone. At Tailor Law, we provide compassionate and practical legal advice tailored to your unique circumstances. Visit tailorlaw.com to learn more about how we can support you during this transition. Thank you for tuning into the Tailor Law Podcast. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe and share it with anyone who might benefit. For personalized legal advice on family and divorce law in Ontario, visit tailorlaw.com. Until next time, take care.